Hello, how are you? We are students of the Cesar Vallejo University of the Personal and Business Icon course of group number 2, which is made out of me, Acosta Puzma Leslie, Gutierrez Inoñan Salomé, Montenegro Ortega Angie, Olivos Plasencia Raquel, Vázquez Peña Orfilia, and Villanueva Milian Carlos. Directed by Dr. Collagua Enciso Jorge. Next, my colleagues will present each of the parts of our academy report on icon text.
Introduction. It is why influencing the categories that natural persons, companies, or workers for an entity paying income tax on the profits obtained. This amount will depend on the salary they receive, which are capital income, rental income, and invest profits, as well as income. Business and labor income. Natural and legal persons have an obligation to pay their tax, generating the common good for the nation and allowing public works to be carried out. That is why when we carry out activities with the purpose of collecting income, we must do so legally.
The that administration defines four types of the regiments that will depend on the activity you want to carry on the line of business you will obtain in the way it will be able to each taxpayer. This is how it is explained the name simplified single regiment. Natural people apply within this context within natural people without a business. It mentions ordinary people like you and me with commercial activity. A natural person without a business is a professional person who carries all activities independently and issues a receipt for fees, and they are applied to category 4 of the income tax. The natural income limits are which are divided into categories. The first category costs per month declared both purchase and sales and the payment of the taxpayer do. Category 2 consists of a declared both purchase and sales accounting to a payment of this type of regiment cost is below ticket performance age. For the purpose of controlling the company, taking into account the dates of receipts will not entail the cash credit. Whatever expense of course does not submit annual. It has no limits on work personnel since it will depend solely on the taxpayer to analyze the payments. With the income you receive, we allow have the special income. The regimen in this regimen natural. Person as legal entities can apply since the Constitution can be two or more. People also do not forget the line of business that you wish to carry out that regimen. Perceives the income limit at regime motel souls. The regime issues purchase, receipt, electronic invoice, ticket as permitted by law does not submit annual. It has personnel limits per shift the amount the about them people. Thus we also have the payment down regime applied to both natural and legal persons. The income limits split between tax administration for this regime.
Theories of income tax. The income tax has will of primary element because of every economic tax generate which of person apply to the different category in which one is employed. The income tax theory does not record and access to wealth which in which types of wealth are considered products income theory, with flow theory asset increase theory. Product rank theory. Article 1. Income and come from capital work and the John apply of both factors under stop tab come from another source capable of generate periodic income. Income was product income is considered to be a good that comes from a durable source that is susceptible to income and periodic back. Example, work remuneration, derived source work susceptible source income on a periodic basis. Payment to work for service will flow 30. Article 2. For the purpose of the law, income that comes from the sale of capital is constitutes capital gain. Capital goods are understood to the house that are not intended to be marketed within the scope of a life of business or company. In that operation, which are the party that generate benefits your full theory of which increase. Article 3. Income from third parties that is taxed by this law, regardless of its name, type or of the payment is following compensation in the form on companies of insurance of their personnel and to stop the do not involve the repairs of damage.
That it's a court to use in courts. It's in what's in the what's in it's what that's in so it's that never foods. There's cards in this as condition. Separate interest there's a purpose. There's cards there's six separate secretaries, but the average interaction with changing facts to the much information security. It beats creative information has information insecurity enforced virtues security. Which maths, which refers love, which companies, which informed, what should worker want that what fit the commercial let everything function in hands but factored wow. Their parents contains bets in art bet percent, booty percent, 70%, 20%. That is my hard manager. The hard did manager.
Conclusions. It is concluded that the income tax tax all that activity. What it has in relation to well is to say all the income that each of us receives, which can be by categories and this varies. Also take into consideration the types of regimes to which we are going to contribute, because it will depend on our payment of the year. We must have complete information to which regime we are going to act, so that in the future we do not have message with the tax administration and to be able to carry out our control without worries. Likewise, the theories of income tax are very to be clear about, since they are the main ones and according to the articles. They mention for efficient management in the accounting treatment and good results in the statement of financial position, the statement of comprehensive income together with explanatory not for each economic event carried out and recorded all information for good decision making.